Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and even put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's the deal with this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter or things you probably don't care about, just to make this a 15-minute video, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for GitHub right now. I'll also share a few key things about each one that actually matter, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my entire research document totally free and read it for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for GitHub and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for GitHub. Why? It works flawlessly with GitHub. Super important, right? Speed-wise, it's seriously one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, super stable connections, no packet loss, and awesome upload and download speeds. This means smooth Git operations like cloning, pushing, and pulling large repos. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's all there to keep your GitHub sessions secure and private. Pricing and support, pretty affordable for what it offers, and the support, top-notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep any, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty cheap for all the features you get. Downside, 10 device limit. Second best is IPVanish. Why? It's a no-nonsense VPN built purely for performance. Speed, crazy fast, with consistently low latency. No hiccups or lag spikes when working on GitHub repos, so syncing and collaborating is smooth as heck. Features, has all the essentials a pro working with GitHub will want, plus some extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only your GitHub traffic through the VPN, or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than others but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs, no logs, independently audited and verified. Encryption, top-notch AES-26. Negatives, it's based in the US, yeah, Five Eyes country, so privacy geeks might get nervous, but the audited no logs policy really holds up. Also, the server network is smaller than the other two on this list. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN. Perfect for professionals who want smooth GitHub access and great value. Third place goes to Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It's got a huge server network and the most customization options here. Speed, really good. The massive server network means you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby, so no long waits when pushing or pulling code. Features, packed with stuff. Kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Ideal if you want to tailor your GitHub connection security just right. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium choice on this list. Support is good and professional. Logs, nope. No logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, uses the best encryption tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US-based. The app UI isn't as clean as the other two either. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for GitHub with a massive network and advanced features. So that's it, my top 3 picks for GitHub: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly with GitHub. Here's a quick recap if you're still on the fence. Choose NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for GitHub, with a premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set it and forget it GitHub VPN that's incredible value for the price. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for GitHub with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answer so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price out there. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you went with. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.